Yazi bafethu, going into a round of 16, Coach Hugo Process got something good to think about. Does he either pair Yaya Sithole with uTebuza Mokwane okanye Tebuza Mokoena with Batoze Opaza? Le nto ndiyitsho after watching umdlalo wayizolo Bafana Bafana neZimbabwe. Ithe kongena uBatuze Opaza endaweni kaYaya Sithole. Batuze Opaza wangena, he had a good impact emdlalweni, like he contributed as to how the game was managed. He contributed rather. He stabilized the midfield yeBafana Bafana after engenile. So that's what Coach Hugo Process to think about. Does he pair Yaya Sithole with Tebuza Mokoena okanye Tebuza Mokoena with Batuze Opaza? Not taking any credit away from Yaya Sithole. Then last but not least, I've been very impressed ngendlela uLife Foster adlala ngayo. 4 goal contributions so far. I love how he links up with ama-winger ethu, how he holds up position just to wait for the wingers to get into advanced possessions, ngathi angaqhubeka adlale nangehlobo nakweminye imidlalo ezayo.